I met you, I don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here and just stumbled upon this video, make sure you guys go subscribe down below so we can grow our family. In this week's video, I'm super excited because I am finally all moved into college and I'm going to be sharing with you my dorm tour. I'm a sophomore at the University of Rhode Island and I am living in a single suite. I am so happy with how my room turned out and I hope you guys enjoy it too. This isn't going to be my background for filming. I just didn't want to take my tripod out, so I'm just sitting on the floor because I really need to film this. But I'm going to figure out a cute little background and I need to get lights for above my tapestries, but I'm going to go to Walmart soon. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment down below where you are going to school and if any of you guys are going to the University of Rhode Island. Make sure to comment down below because I love seeing if you guys attend the same school that I do and we can all just become friends. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give this a like and comment down below how you liked it. Okay, so the first thing you see when you walk in is just my door, and then we have a little lock there. Okay, and right here I just have a light switch and then my mirror. This is my outfit today. Nothing too cute. Okay, and this is an overview of what you see. It's super cozy and I absolutely love it. Right here I just have some trash I need to take out. Empty. And then if you turn, I have two posters. This one's just of Lil Uzi and Travis. I love them. And then this is kind of like my little setup and I will go into depth. I have my TV right here. I'm just watching Grey's Anatomy. What else is new? I have a SmartCast TV so I can stream Netflix, Hulu, YouTube. I have my Zone Tree speaker and my student ID, which you need everywhere. My remote for my TV, and then just a little bowl of candy for whoever comes into my room. They can just take it. Then I have these three drawers that are super spacious, and I just keep clothes in here, and I will show you. So right here, I just have all my tank tops, from LF and Brandy, and then these are all my workout clothes, all my shorts, and then pajamas back here. And then I have more pants and stuff. And then in this drawer, I have more just big t-shirts and then other t-shirts, some pants, more shirts, full of shirts. Okay. And then in the bottom drawers is all my pants. So I have jeans and leggings and sweatpants and a pair of jean shorts. And that's the tea. And then if you turn your head to the left, I just have this little bar cart. I know I have a lot of stuff on the floor, but it's just because my fridge was not delivered yet because I did early move-in and it's coming tomorrow. So I can't buy milk or put my water in the fridge or anything. But on the top of this bar cart, I have my Keurig, a box of Starbucks K-Cups. I have a mug, a tumbler for when I want to make iced coffee, my blender bottle, and my swell bottle. And then under here, I have different protein bars. I have Cliff bars, another box of Keurig, this herbal tea sampler, which is super nice, a thing of cashews, and this cold brew from Trader Joe's, and these microwave safe bowls from Target, which are adorable. And then, sorry, I'll move these. Under here, I have my NutriBullet, a thing of almond butter, these little oatmeals from Trader Joe's, another thing of oatmeal, my protein powder from Trader Joe's, another thing of protein powder, and my blender. And then on the side here, I have two of these things of water. I try not to keep plastic water bottles, but right now it is the end of August, early September, and in Rhode Island we're having an E. coli breakout on all the water lines, so we kind of have to drink water bottles unless we want to die. So I bought two things of water yesterday, and I have a bottle of Smart Water right here. I bought these two because I just wanted to buy them while I was at the store, but I know my fridge didn't come yet, but these are milks that you have to put in the fridge after you open it. So I said a thing of almond milk for my smoothies, and then a thing of oat milk for my coffee, and I can use oat milk in my smoothies too if I want. I have a box of Mango LaCroix. Guys, if you haven't tried these, 10 out of 10 recommend them. The Skippy Peanut Butter Bites. I know I caved. I bought brownie chips ahoy, I'm sorry. I have these almond butter bites and like some go-go squeeze down there. So that is what we're working with over here. And then I have a power strip right there, which my TV's plugged into, and my Keurig and my phone. Oh, and then I have my Brita, but I didn't fill it up yet because I don't want to use sink water because E. coli. And then I have these two chairs that I absolutely love. Sorry, they're a little... I got them from HomeGoods. They were on sale for $20 each. This pillow's from Urban Outfitters. That blanket's from Urban Outfitters. This huge gray area rug is from Target. I got this tapestry. It's a sunflower tapestry. It's adorable. It's from Society 6. So that is this whole area that I am obsessed with because I have so much different wall art going all around my room. And I know that's annoying. I just don't know where else to put my Swiffer. I might just put it in my bathroom. Guys, this is my bed. I absolutely love it. I have my She Believes She Could, so she did a tapestry that's from last year. And then I have a few pillows that are from last year, but I have some new ones. So this is from Target, this is from Dormify. These two pillows are from TJ Maxx, and they match my bedding so good. And my bedding is from TJ Maxx. And then I have this body pillow from Target, but I had to buy the body pillow cover separately, and then I just have like my two sleeping pillows. Okay. And then underneath my bed, I have some storage that I'll show you. I'm just gonna sit down. Okay, in this one, I have just like garbage bags and like other microwave safe bowls and dryers, so it's nothing special. And here I have all my scarves, and then in here is all like my backup toiletries for my everyday stuff. And then in here I have a can opener, a tray of ice cubes that I would keep in my freezer, but freezer, and then my medicine box. And here I just have Always Infinity Flex Foam, and then other toiletries. And then in here is bras and underwear, bathing suits and socks, and then other scarves. And here, this is just another thing of storage. And then I have my suitcase and my camera case and my tripod. I have my Santa slippers that light up. They're from Target. They were $5. So yeah, when you like step in them, the nose lights up and they're so cute. Okay, and then this is my desk setup. A lot of the stuff on my desk are from last year's dorm. So it's a quick little overview. Sorry, friends are texting me. And then I have this view of caution tape and the football stadium, which is so nice because when the football team does their practices, which they're doing right now, I can watch them because my friends are on the football team. So go guys, woo! Okay, so I have a kombucha because I'm drinking that right now. I have some perfume, some deodorant, my vitamins, my planner, a journal, and 2 books. I have all my pens and pencils, a Dunkin' coffee that I'm drinking right now. This is my to-do thing. It's so cute. It just says My Wild Week, so I could just like, in addition to using my planner, I could just like write important stuff down because I have like an internship meeting and then like another training, and this is just for like every week. It's so cute. I have this sign that says Beach Please, all my makeup brushes, all my jewelry, all my like everyday makeup is on the top, and then like random stuff is on the bottom. I have palettes and my Laneige lip mask and a beauty blender. Then I have my mirror. Hi. And then my awesome light, which is from Costco. I have this thing that says Rings and Shiny Things, but I forgot to bring rings, so Then I have my straightener, my hairbrush, and my blow dryer. I have my fan that's plugged in that's just blowing all over me. I have this cute little sign that says Adventure Awaits, and then the best is yet to come. So those are just above my desk. And now I'll show you guys what's in my desk drawer. Okay, in here I have highlighters, 2 just like notebooks, scissors, tape, just like the essentials. I don't even know what's in here. Just like vitamin C drops, pepper spray, makeup bags. And then I have my chair and this cushion from Target because I was not trying to just sit on that chair. Then in here I have some gum, my birth control, some hair ties, a wallet, headphones, more hair ties, and that's the tea. Okay, so this concludes my desk area, and I have such a pretty view, and it just like brightens the room up when I have my mirror, not my mirror, my window open. Oh, and I have this cute little A that's right above my bed. I don't know what to put here. I don't know if I should put something there, but like I don't want it to look too cluttered because I already have like all this wall decorations, but like I feel like that looks so plain. Oh my god, they're all walking back. Well, hopefully they don't see me filming. Oh my god, those are my friends. Hi. Okay. And then if you turn, I have my Madewell tote right there, my hamper, my Nikes, and then this thing that says the University of Rhode Island. And then this is my closet. Okay, and I'll open it up and show you guys. I have so much space. Like, I could have brought more clothes, but I chose not to. So this is my view. I have all my sweatshirts and sweaters and sweatpants up here. I have a shoe organizer, which I just keep all my shoes in. I have skirts and then bodysuits and then dresses and rompers, just like flowy shirts, and then I have like tight long sleeve shirts and then all my jackets. And then underneath here I keep all of like my boots and booties and stuff. I have my raincoat right here. I don't have anything on this door. So that is my armoire. Last year I had a built-in closet, but I kind of like this better. Yeah, because it's so much more spacious and it's just me. Okay, and then in here I have all my bath towels, and then these are the ones I'm using right now. Then here I keep more towels and more sheets. Which last year I was able to keep like my towels and sheets in like my walk-in closet, but like I can't do that this year. And then we come to a full circle with my mirror. So this is my room. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's so cozy and so spacious, and I absolutely love it. I really hope you guys enjoyed my dorm tour, and I can't wait to do more videos like this. Woo! Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!